Today we are heading out on our Engwe EP-2 Pro. We're going to take it around a parking lot, down the road, try out a speed test, and go through some different gears. Let's go ahead and try out pedal assist and give it a shot. Let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so just full throttle, no pedaling. Currently we're up to 23, 24, 25, 26 miles an hour, 27, 28. Let's go ahead and try that speed test this way. All right, first up, we're gonna try our pedal assist 1 and see what speed we can get up to. This road is a little bit hilly, but not too bad. So let's go ahead and try. Comfortable 12 miles an hour so far. Still on pedal assist 1. We've gone ahead and shifted up to gear 6 on pedal assist 1. And it looks like we're topping out around 16 miles an hour. Currently on pedal assist 3, going up another incline, and we're doing about 13 miles an hour. Pretty easy. Let's go ahead and turn up the juice. Pedal assist 5, and we're up that hill, no problem whatsoever. Woo! Pedal assist 5, and we're at 23 miles an hour, 24, and 25, and 26. All right, right now we're on pedal assist 4. We're going up a little hill, and to be honest, I don't even feel it. Like, it feels like I just have the throttle on. It's amazing. I mean, if you're using a bike to commute, I mean, an e-bike is definitely the way to go. It's kind of crazy. So pedal assist 4. On this terrain, I have no problem whatsoever. As you can see, we do have a hill coming up. We'll go ahead and keep on pedaling. Go ahead and shift up a little bit. There we go. We're going 20 miles an hour right now. And I could do this all day long. Let's go ahead and try that throttle only again. Going up a little bit of an incline, we're at 20 miles an hour with no problem. This Engwe has tons of power, lots of juice. It's a beautiful summer day. We're gonna go ahead and try pedal assist on more of a flat surface here. So we have pedal assist 5 on a flat surface. All right, let's see what we can get up to. Pedal assist 5 on a flat surface. We're at 25, 26 miles an hour, no problem. All right, one more try. Pedal assist 5, gear 7. Let's see what we can do. We're at 26. We made it to 26. Thank you all so much for joining me today on this adventure on the Engwe EP-2 Pro. It was a lot of fun. So this little puppy can get going pretty good. I think at one point in time we were surpassed 26 miles an hour. So for the power that this has, the price, I really like it. If you want to know more details, check out the link below. There's also some discount codes and all of that good stuff. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.